Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Christopher, makeup artist and esthetician. Today I'd like to show you a new look featuring Aloette's spring colors. We begin with an application of Flawless HP Prime and Perfect all over the eyelid and the lower lash line. This will really grab onto the eyeshadow pigment once we start to apply and blend. Apply rosé to the inner and outer corner of the lid with your eye silk brush. Take a moment to blend around the edges and blend towards the middle of the lid. Apply Sherry to the middle of the eyelid. Using Sangria on your eye silk brush, start in the outer corner of the eye and blend Sangria up into the crease. This creates definition in your look and helps to accentuate the shape of the eye. Use Sangria on your precision liner brush to line the lower lid. You want your liner with the shadow to be a little wide, and don't worry about making it too precise because we're going to blend it with a darker eyeliner afterwards. To highlight the brow, use Candlelit on your eye silk brush to place the color on the brow bone and then blend down towards the crease. Use the black waterproof liner to accentuate the eyes and polish the look. Finish your eye look by applying Aloette A-List Lash to the upper and lower lash lines. To complete your look, apply Liquid Lip Shine Merlot. I hope you enjoyed this look from Aloette's new spring colors. Thanks for watching.